Hello, we are Tavon and David from TD Adventures. In today's video, we will show you how to reset the Gfci breaker for the outlets. For some reason, we could not get power from the outlets this morning. We checked to make sure the inverter was on, and it was. We checked the Gfci outlet under the ottoman on the driver's side under the TV. Oh yes, it was tripped. We are not sure what caused it to trip. We reset the breaker and all the outlets are working now. That is all for this video. Goodbye for now.
Pick up visitor. How are you? Oink, oink. How are you doing today? Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
What a lovely visit. Are you my morning wake-up call? You are? Are you my morning wake-up call?
Morning, cows. This brown one's eyeballing me.
Hello, baby. Here's another.
Right there. Very nice.
Yeah. Road truck. Yeah. Bye. Till next time.
So what keeps those cows from leaving through this open gate?
It is this cattle guard, right?
Yep.
Right there.
Which is why they ask if you move the gate to pull in, please put the gate back.
Right.
You know, if you have a really wide rig, we obviously fit right through. All right.
Mount Rushmore next.
We're at 4.8 miles of this, and then we're back on paved road.
Okay. Really sharp. I don't know if I want to race car with that kind of horn. It's for safety reason. That's what I'm saying.